can't be the only well-groomed spokesman. Our humanitarian colleagues are telling us that they and their partners continue to call for the protection of civilians in Tigray, respect for international humanitarian law, and ways to assess needs and ensure that aid continues to reach areas affected by the conflict. Roads to the Tigray region remain blocked, and our partners warn that supplies will soon be exhausted, putting millions at risk of food insecurity and disease. The General says the G20's early response was crucial in easing. In Ethiopia, the UN team particularly concerned about the plight of some of the most vulnerable households in Tigray. It's also concerned about the movements of people and the risk this entails for the spread of COVID-19. Since the beginning of the conflict, all systems of surveillance have broken down with lack of communications and access to health facilities. He said, we will succeed if we cooperate. Our colleagues at the UN Refugee Agency warned today that a full-scale humanitarian crisis is unfolding as thousands of refugees flee ongoing fighting in Tigray every day to seek safety in eastern Sudan. UNHCR says the influx is unseen over the last 2 decades in that part of the country. People have been crossing the border at the rate of about 4,000 per day since November 10th, rapidly overwhelming the humanitarian response on the ground. UNHCR says more than 27,000 have now crossed into Sudan.